Good morning all children. Hope you are enjoying your vacations. Today we will make this alphabet ring. It is very beautiful gift for happy birthday and this kind of events. For this we need seed beads, some seed beads, alphabet beads and brass wire. I am using 20 gauge wire. And for this project we need the tools. Basic tools are flat nose plier, small flat nose plier, long big size flat nose plier, double round nose plier, turn for nose plier, cutter, ring shaper, ring sizer and plastic cylinder shape bar. First we have to make I want to make it with this size. This ring size, this finger ring, my size is 18 inches. For this I need only 7 inches wire. Yes. First, on the first step, we will make a loop, one side a loop, hook type loop, like this, by using flat nose plier, round nose plier, pushing it and using big flat nose plier and round it like this. This is to make a very beautiful loop, or you can say hook. This one, flat it and make it equal. Now on that's this step. Second step, by using this cylinder shape foot, I will make it round and make it hook shape. Then I have to using this ring sizer, because I want to make 18 size ring. This is 18 size. On this step I have to make the round 2 inches more, 2 sizes more, 18, 19 and 20. This is 20. Why I am turning this into 20? Because when I complete it, it become 18 inches, so 18 size. Now it is 20 size. When it's complete, it become 18 size. Now I am feeding the beads. When the half circle is complete with beads, or you can say filled with beads, now I have need some few beads more. When the half circle is filled with beads, then it is time to feed alphabet bead. I am adding U letter bead. I think you can see clearly. Half beads, half circle complete, then alphabet bead, then left I will feed all beads. I think it is complete. You can see here, almost complete. a little space left, but we need this space. Now it is time to use small flat nose plier. I'm grabbing here and see if it is starting to ring. Yes, it is touching. It means it is complete. Now I have grabbed to strongly grab here, and by hand, using hand, I uplifted the left part, and now I have to cut the extra piece which is left almost half mm size. Yes. Now it is time to use round nose plier. Put the wire in the circle here. I think you can see, and you can understand what I'm doing. Now it is time to use by this end, turn it down and close the end. You can see here I am closing the end, and this time I need teeth flat nose plier and make it pressure, and now it's almost complete. Now I have to check it is my calculation is okay. Yes, 18 inches. I have make the 20 inches, then when in the procedure it become 18 inches. Now it is complete. Yes, you can see it is complete, 18 inches. Good. It is time to complete our workshop. Thank you. I hope you will enjoy my workshop. Goodbye and good luck.